Hey guys, today we are unboxing my 4th Stitch Fix. This is the biggest box I have ever gotten from them. I have no idea if I have any Christmas items in this, but I'm assuming I do since Christmas is right around the corner, so. But there is something very important that you guys should know. Every time you get a Stitch Fix box, you do have to go back into your Stitch Fix account and click that you received the box and check out the items that you plan on keeping. And the rest you send back in the prepaid envelope that you get. I'm going to leave a bunch of information in the description box below. I'm going to leave tips, some tricks, some things you need to know when using the subscription service, along with a $25 off referral code for you if you would like to try it out, and things that I've noticed since I've been on it. So I just want to make sure I'm really clear about how this service works and how you guys can have the best experience ever with Stitch Fix. Basically, to sum up, Stitch Fix, it's a styling subscription service where you get your own personal stylist who chooses clothing for you. Once that personal stylist has chosen that clothing, you will get a box. You get to choose when you get a box, monthly, every other month, once a year. Just remember that you still will get charged $20 if you do not buy something in the box. So make sure there's at least one item that you guys like. If you like this video, continue giving me the thumbs up button. That helps me know that you guys really enjoy these type of videos. Welcome back to my channel if you are a subscriber, and if you are new here, welcome. I upload makeup, fashion, and lifestyle videos Monday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I'm really excited about this one. This one looks like it's gonna be, I don't know, this is massive. Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff in here. I feel like I'm peeking over the top of this box. Here we have the return label. This is to send back any items that I don't want to keep. So I'm gonna set that right over here like usual. I legit just saw a very, very, very bright color. I think you guys are gonna be really shocked. Where's our little envelope? I almost had a heart attack. I thought I didn't get a note from my stylist, and that's like my favorite part. We always leave this to the end because this has all the price information and a little sweet note from our stylist. So I'm gonna set that over here. That's always the scary part in this video. We always leave that to the end. I'm gonna move this box over here. Should we start with this? I've never gotten a bag like this before. I kind of have an idea what it is because I can kind of see it, but what do you guys think it is? Wait, so do I get to keep these bags or do I send these back? I don't know. Okay. Whoa. So here we have a pair of snakeskin black sleek boots. It's a matte material. I really like this. It's a size 10. This is from the brand BC Footwear. Depth vegan leather booty. I think I put in my profile that I rarely wanted to receive like shoes because I am so ridiculously picky. I know, I don't know what my obsession is with shoes, but I have a quirk with that. So I do have a pair of rain boots that I wear all the time, and they're very similar to this. So I don't know about this one. We'll see. I haven't tried them on. Sometimes when I try things on, I end up falling in love with them. So that is the first item. They are very cute. I really think it's just going to depend on how expensive they are. Here's our package. Got a little sneak peek there. Alrighty, are you ready? First item that's gonna shock everybody. This sweater. I am not gonna lie, you guys. I love it. I am so strange, but this color, and I mean it has balloon sleeves that I love. That is a trend here on my channel. My entire closet is transforming into balloon sleeve clothes. How adorable. This does feel really, really heavy and like a very nice knit material. This is from the brand Gold Ray. It's a Sharima mock neck balloon sleeve pullover in light green. That's not light green, that is neon green. I actually, I've been trying out Haberdash, and there have been a couple neon sweaters on there, that I've been wanting to try. So I'm actually really glad that I got it in Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix, you've done it again. Or my stylist, Rachel, has done it again. And I don't have anything like this in my closet, so yeah, I'm excited to give that a try. I'm gonna stick that over here. I think bright colors is the theme of this box because we got some bright colors, man. We got a bright purple sweater. It's a size medium and it's the Lizzie front seam pullover. Yeah, that does kind of have a little bit of that balloon sleeve that I like. And I do like pullovers, but I don't know if I'm really liking the color. I think it's a bit too bright for me. I shouldn't really be saying that after I just showed you that neon green sweater. But this color in particular, I don't know. What do you guys think? I know it'll make a difference when I actually try it on. Watch me fall in love with it wearing like jeans with it or something. Sweaters are definitely something I can use this year, but I don't know. I just don't want to wear something that's unflattering. So I don't know. We'll see. We haven't tried it on yet, so I can't hate on it yet. Okay, so this actually looks a little bit Christmassy. Oh, it's really soft. Oh, it has a little hoodie on it. Okay, so this is like a cardigan little hood, like I just said. I repeat myself too much on this channel. But I love the navy blue plaid on this, and I'm telling you guys, this is really soft. It's really good quality. It does have little pockets too, so I'm excited about that. I could see myself wearing just like faux fur slippers around the house and just, this is a very cozy item and something I'm very much attracted to. I probably should tell you where it's from. Market in Spruce. It is the Oliver hooded cardigan. That's cute. Okay, last item. These are a pair of jeans from Prosperity. This is a size 10, and I do like this dress material on the end there. I already have a pair of jeans like this. In fact, one of my favorite jeans from American Eagle looks exactly like this. This is really nice material and it feels like it's gonna be nice and stretchy, so we'll try it on, but I don't think I need another pair of jeans like this. Now that I've showed you everything in this little clothing Stitch Fix unboxing, we're gonna go ahead and go try everything out in my living room. Some of these look really nice, but I was kind of hoping I would get like some Christmassy stuff in this one because I did ask my stylist for a Christmassy themed box, which I mean, I guess a couple of them are, but this one I'm not too excited about. I don't think I'll end up getting a lot of items from this one, but that's probably a good thing because my last Stitch Fix was a little bit pricey and I kind of spent a lot of money on that previous Stitch Fix box. We're gonna go ahead and move into my living room. Now, I will say, I love me some color. And that is what we've got right here. I love this shirt. And not shirt, sweater. And these are the jeans that came in the Stitch Fix box. And I only flipped up one heel. Okay, that's lovely. Let me flip this one up. So I actually feel like these jeans are a little bit slimming. I feel like my legs can breathe in these jeans. And that is very rare. These actually feel a lot lighter than usual, which is really surprising. I really like how these look on me. Really soft New York, Los Angeles jeans. They know how to make them. But I don't know if I'm going to end up keeping them. They're too similar to something I already have. They aren't as high-waisted as I would like. Can we just get to this top now? I love it. And I think that out of anything I end up getting in this box, it's probably going to be this sweater. That's a heavy knit material, and I love how it's such a bright color. It's slimming. I love how it sits on me. I accidentally got a little bit of makeup on it while I was trying to put it on. Whoops. Yeah, I'd be interested to see what you guys have to say about this one. I know I tried this skirt on in my other video, but I wanted to see how this would look with this skirt and these boots. I do like how it squares up my shoulders though. That is pretty. I like how it looks with these boots with this skirt. But it's definitely a different color that I own in my closet. I don't know. I don't see myself wearing it a ton. I feel like I've winterized this skirt. I feel like you can see the bright color in the natural lighting because I feel like when I show you in my mirror, it's not as vibrant. I chose to wear green eyeshadow on the wrong day. This is definitely something to wear on a very cold wintry day because I'm already starting to sweat underneath this. So this is probably the most comfiest outfit I have ever worn. Got my Spanx leather leggings on, moccasins from Paul, and a nice hoodie cardigan. It's really comfortable and it's not the material that's like super hot. We've got the nice long sleeves. I feel like it's very Christmassy. I am really liking this, you guys, with my leather leggings and cute slippers. I'm really liking the length of this. I like how it kind of covers my hips and it falls in a nice spot. I love the navy blue in it too. Let me do the hood for you. And you can bet this is what I want to look like Christmas morning. Do you like it? And now I suppose we should go look at the prices, shouldn't we? It is time to open our Stitch Fix envelope with all the prices. Yay! Here we have all the different outfit varieties. Hello again, Sarah. It's December Fix Day. I hope that you are enjoying the holiday season and I can't wait for you to see what's inside this fix. I was unable to find the perfect off-the-shoulder sweater to match with your new bralette, but I made a note to keep an eye out for one. I started today with a pair of denim by Prosperity that I thought would be the perfect length for you. These classic jeans are perfect for styling with chunky sweaters and booties or boots all season long. Style them with this fun gold ray balloon sleeve sweater and the BC footwear boot. Complete the look with a black wool hat or a festive pair of earrings. Ooh, I do have a hat. Maybe I'll try that. I also included this Market and Spruce cardigan that is perfect for the upcoming holidays. It is. That little cardigan is so cute. Happy styling, Rachel. So this fuchsia sweater by Design History is $68. To me, that is a little bit steep. This material, I mean, it feels nice, but not worth $68. I'm not sure about this one. I don't see myself wearing it a ton. I know it's a nice, bright, fun color, but I don't know. I don't think I should put that much money towards a sweater that I'm not completely in love with. Next, we have the Oliver Hooded Cardigan in burgundy. This is $78. What? I had a feeling this was going to be a bit expensive, and I could see myself wearing this with just like a cozy tank top and leggings with slippers Christmas Day. That is that one. Do love that. Next we have the Gold Ray Sharima mock neck balloon sleeve in light green. This one, once again, is $68. I can believe that with this one. This one is a little bit better quality than this purple one. I love the statement of this. It's so fun. Next we have the BC footwear, which I can tell you right now, I probably am not going to get these. This definitely is not going to be a box that I'll purchase everything and take that 25% off. I just don't think it's going to be worth it, to be brutally honest. These boots are $69, which that's really reasonable. That's not bad at all. Ooh, almost dropped it. They are very, very good quality and they are vegan leather, so that's cool. I don't know, I'm not really into shoes right now. I mean, I am, but I guess I would say that my priorities are with clothing, not so much the shoes. So if I needed boots, I could definitely see myself getting those, but right now, not quite. And the pants. Wow, these are really expensive. Making sure I read that right. The Lena Released Hem Super Skinny in blue are $78. I already have a pair like this and I'm really wanting a pair of like high-waisted mom jeans, so I'd rather save my money to get a pair like that. So these are good quality, they're a nice pair of jeans, but they're not really what I'm looking for. So I probably am going to say no to these, but the quality is definitely there in the Stitch Fix unboxing. It's just some things are just not needed in my closet right now. I'm looking more for sweaters and jeans, but not these type of jeans. I'm wanting the mom jeans, you know? They're just really cute. And high-waisted stuff looks really good on me right now. The final cost. The Stylist Picks subtotal is $361. With the discount, it would be 25% if I get everything in the box. So that would be subtract $90.25. The order subtotal would then be $270.75. Then you also have the $20 that you already put towards the box, so that takes off $20. So the entire box would be $250.75. That's not horrible. I still think that's really pricey, but I know I'm not going to go for everything in the box this round. I'll definitely probably only choose one item from this box. It was still a fun unboxing. I like the fun colors that we got in this one. Yeah, so I'd love to know what you guys think about this unboxing. I feel like it was very different. It was very colorful, which is good. I definitely need some color in my closet, but whew, it's a little bit expensive there. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this Stitch Fix unboxing. I had some fun doing this one, and I'll definitely make sure I update you guys in the comments and to each of you what I decided to keep. Maybe you guys can help me decide. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!